Hey YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. This week I'm featuring the herb Ashwagandha. Okay, this herb is so beneficial, and as you can tell, today we're going to focus on, like the title of this video, stress-related hair loss. Now, ashwagandha has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to help lower stress and anxiety levels and improve sleep. It helps reduce and manage the cortisol levels in our mind, in our brain, to help us relax. And as many of you guys know, hair loss is related to high stress levels. So if you're experiencing stress-related hair loss, please check out this video. And just so you know, ashwagandha has a ton of other benefits, and I recommend that you go to my blog, which I will link down below, where you can read all the benefits. It's rich in vitamins A, C, plenty of other nutrients. It can be used for dandruff. It can be used for diabetes. So as always, you guys definitely check out my blog to learn all the benefits of using ashwagandha in your regimen. Okay, so I'm going to use ashwagandha in mixture with other powders that you guys have seen in my previous videos, such as Brahmi, which I'll link up here and I'll link down below for you guys. As we know, Brahmi is used to help rejuvenate our hair. So go ahead and let's get to mixing so you guys can reap some of these benefits. All right. Begin by adding a 1/4 cup of ashwagandha powder. Next, add 2 tablespoons of amla, and then 2 tablespoons of Brahmi powder. Finally, I'm using my warm Horsetail Tea to mix this. I'm adding about 10 ounces of the tea. If you guys want to learn more about why I'm using Horsetail and Brahmi, you can check my previous videos. Let the mixture sit and expand for about 10 minutes to the consistency of about cake batter. Now that we've made our hair mask using ashwagandha, Brahmi, and amla, we want to go ahead and wet our hair using maybe warm water, and then I'll start applying this. So I'll come back on when I'm ready to apply it to my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is all the way wet, I'm going to go ahead and take down this front section and then begin applying this, focusing this on my roots, and working it all the way down to the tip of my hair. I'm going to just start massaging it in. Of course, this is best done in the shower, but for you guys, you know, I gotta do little things for y'all, do some things for you guys. So just bear with me as I apply this. For some people, this can feel a bit rough as you apply it, so feel free to add some oils to this mixture if you like, so you can help this sink into your hair and nourish your scalp. Okay, don't rub it too roughly on your hair. You want to just apply it, put it in a twist, and then work on the next section. So I'm going to come on when my hair is all the way coated. Okay, so I've applied the mask all over. Okay, I'm going to put a plastic bag on and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. After I rinse it out, I'm going to come back on and just talk about my hair and my hair loss. As some of you guys know, I have anemia, and I've been tracking my hair loss since I started using Ayurvedic again in these weekly videos. So I'll come back on and talk about that, all right? Okay, so I'm back, and I fully detangled my hair and put it into some twists. Just want to show you guys what my hair looks like. Okay, and I also want to show you guys the wonderful use of using Ayurveda in your regimen. As you know, the past about 5-6 weeks, I started using it every week and for my Tip Tuesday. And I just want to show you guys what my shed hair started out like and what it looks like now after using the herbs. So this was about 5-6 weeks ago, and forgive there's aloe in here, mixed in here, but I want to notice how much hair I lost in. Okay, the next week, this is how much hair I lost. So you can kind of compare the two here. All right. Then the following week, I lost probably a similar amount of hair. Okay. Then 2 weeks ago, I lost this much amount of shed hair. You can kind of see the difference comparing them here. And then today, you guys, this is how much shed hair I lost. So last week and this week. So using Ayurveda has definitely cut down on my shedding, and as you can see, my hair is completely detangled and set in these twists. I'm gonna just rinse this out and then re-moisturize my hair. So definitely try out using Ayurveda in your regimen, and definitely try out ashwagandha in your hair if you're experiencing stress-induced hair loss. Okay, so I'll see you guys next week on next week's Tip Tuesday. All right, bye.